I'm recording now, but
I have no idea what I'm doing. No, sure, just sitting there. You haven't even looked at the phone.
Pup, and I'm gonna zoom into your mouth.
Really?
Stop waiting, touch what?
It looks lower though. It has lost shape.
Nice.
Okay. So how do I tell when I'm done? It should kind of snap, like kind of stand to attention. Like it should snap into place. So I'm looking for the pin. Yeah. Now
Come on, Burp. Burp louder. But you do it off camera, but not on camera. Come on, you do bigger ones off camera, but on camera you don't.
Okay, so line up again.
This guy's no boobs.
Are you winning, son?
This guy.
Big one's coming up.
Moment of truth.
Guys, watch out.
Install an AMD CPU.
Headphone users. Is that the big one?
Also this one.
Oh, guys, if you use headphones, just use it now.
No. No, we're good. Okay. Hold on. Because if we get it into it works.
So you want me to end the video now?
Okay.
And then how?